In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile private. So first of all, what you want to do is obviously go onto linkedin.com and sign in. Now, once we've signed in, we can either go here on the left to our name, or we can go over to me and go to view profile. From here, what we can do, we want to go up to the top right here where it says public profile and URL. You want to hit this little pen tool here. And what this is going to do, this is going to open up your profile, how a person that's public will be able to see it. So this is what someone will be able to see right now. So what we want to do from here is we want to change this to off. So it will be, our profile is no longer public and it's now private. Now there's other options that you can do from here. So if you also wanted to just turn off certain things, you could do that. So if you wanted to turn off headline, you could do that so no one can see your headline anymore. Boom, it's gone. Your current experience, you can turn that off so no one can see it. The details of your experience, you can turn that off. You can turn off the details of past experience, and you can turn off the past experience altogether. You can turn off certifications. Or you can turn them all back on. So you can mess around here and fiddle with it and change it to your liking depending on how private you want everything to be. Or you can just turn it off with this button here like I said. And that is basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that this helped. Thank you for watching.